This is how to remove the ABS sensor from this Volvo S60 or V70. So there is either a 10mm or 8mm bolt, so unscrew that bolt, and once remove the bolt, do not pull on the wire. If you pull on it even just slightly, there's a good chance it will just break the wires inside, and you will get a light, an SRS ABS light, and you will have ABS problems. You need just to replace the sensor. Sorry for the light. For the proper way, if you look from the front of the car, you notice there is a screwdriver that I placed there, and the tip of the screwdriver right there on the right side of the image, the tip, black tip, it's the sensor. So just slide the screwdriver between the reluctor ring, that small well, and the tip of the sensor. Try to slide the screwdriver from the right side and just press upwards, and you can remove the sensor from there. But again, don't pull, because you will break something in there. Even if it doesn't look broken, you will definitely break it, and you will need to replace the sensor. So it's very easy to undo, but careful with it. And also, when you work on a suspension, it's really nice to remove it to be sure you just don't damage it for nothing. Alright, thanks for watching.